Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about a function outlines. This is a new unit in which I will explain each and everything related to function that is used in the JavaScript. So what are the outlines for the unit? First of all, you will learn what is function basically, and creating and calling a function, how you can create a function and how you can call a function, parameter and arguments, and different types of argument, and I will also explain what is the basic difference between parameter and arguments, variables in the JavaScript function, and then I will share a problem 1, problem 2, but I will provide a solution of a problem 1, but problem 2 I will assign to you as a assignment and you have to complete that assignment. So meet in other class, in the next class, in which I will explain each and everything about a function. What is a function? So meet in other class.